Medium-length haircuts for women over 50 offer a perfect balance between manageability and versatility. As women age, they often seek hairstyles that are both flattering and low maintenance, and medium-length haircuts fit the bill perfectly. These haircuts typically fall between the chin and shoulders, allowing for various styling options while still being easy to care for on a day-to-day basis. One popular medium-length haircut for women over 50 is the layered bob. This classic style adds volume and movement to the hair, which can help create a more youthful appearance. The layers also add texture and dimension, making it a versatile choice for different hair types and face shapes. Whether styled sleek and straight or with loose waves, the layered bob is a timeless option for mature women looking for a chic and modern look. Another flattering medium-length haircut for women over 50 is the shoulder-length cut with bangs. Bangs can help soften facial features and add a touch of youthfulness to the overall look. Whether styled as soft, side-swept bangs or bold, blunt bangs, they can complement various face shapes and hair textures. Paired with shoulder-length hair, this haircut offers a classic yet trendy vibe that is easy to maintain and style. For women over 50 who prefer a more natural and effortless look, a shoulder-length shag haircut is an excellent choice. This haircut features layered, choppy ends that add texture and movement to the hair. It's a low-maintenance style that can be easily styled with a bit of texturizing spray for a tousled, lived-in look. The shoulder-length shag haircut is perfect for women who want a carefree and youthful hairstyle that embraces their natural hair texture. Women over 50 with curly or wavy hair can opt for a shoulder-length haircut with layers. This haircut helps enhance natural curls and waves while providing structure and shape. The layers add volume and bounce to the hair, making it look fuller and more vibrant. With the right products and styling techniques, women can embrace their natural texture and achieve a stylish and age-appropriate look with this medium-length haircut. In conclusion, medium-length haircuts for women over 50 offer a wide range of options that are both flattering and easy to maintain. Whether you prefer a sleek layered bob, a shoulder-length cut with bangs, a shag haircut, or layers that enhance natural curls and waves, there's a medium-length hairstyle to suit every preference and hair type. These hairstyles are timeless, versatile, and perfect for women who want to look and feel their best at any age.